Hello friends, this is Sophie. Today we're gonna see how to decorate Easter eggs with paper quilling using this craft kit. Let's dive right into it. Here's what is included in your kit. Some quilling paper, egg-shaped cutouts, slotted quilling tool, circle sizer tool, some thread, instructions card, and a paper quilling basics card. You would also need a plastic tray with toothpick to hold glue, tweezers, scissors, and some glue. To begin, pour out some glue onto the plastic lid. To make the big red eye shape, pull out one strip of red quilling paper. Using the quilling tool, start coiling it. Once you reach the end, pull out the quilling tool and place the coil in circle size 4. Let it uncoil inside the circle. Now pick the coil using the tweezers and seal the ends with glue. Make 2 pinches on this coil to shape it into an eye shape. Repeat the same process and make 4 more eye shapes. Now take one red strip of quilling paper. Using the slotted quilling tool, roll it into a coil. Let it expand inside circle size 4. Pick up the coil using the tweezers. Seal the end with glue. Make 1 pinch on the coil to shape it like a teardrop. Repeat the same process and make 2 more teardrops. Now take one red strip of quilling paper and cut it in half using the scissors. Using the slotted quilling tool, coil this half strip of paper and let it expand inside circle size 5. Pick the coil using the tweezers. Seal the end with glue. Make 2 pinches on the coil to shape it into an eye shape. Repeat these steps and make 4 more small teardrops. Take one strip of white quilling paper, cut it in half using the scissors. Take one half and roll it into a coil. Let it expand inside circle size 5. Use tweezers to pick up the coil. Seal the end with glue and make 1 pinch to shape it into a teardrop. Repeat and make 5 more white teardrops. Now take the 5 small red eye shapes and glue them together on one end to form a half flower or a semicircle shape. Similarly, glue together the 5 big red eye shapes. Now glue the 6 white teardrops together to form a flower shape. Now using the egg template for reference, glue the pieces onto the pink egg cutout shape. Now repeat all the steps and decorate 4 more eggs, one in yellow, one in green, one in blue, and one in purple. Evenly space the 5 eggs and attach them to the thread using cellophane tape on the back. If you enjoyed watching this video and crafting with me, give a thumbs up for the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And share what you made today to get featured on my Instagram page. And there you have it, your very own paper quilling egg garland.